Hello fellow thrill seekers. Welcome back to my channel, where today we are diving into the adrenaline-pumping world of aviation with an exclusive look at the jaw-dropping maneuverability of the F-35 fighter jet. Get ready to have your minds blown and your hearts racing, because this is not your average air show, folks. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can a machine so massive defy the laws of gravity with such finesse? Well, my friends, buckle up, because we are about to witness the impossible become possible right before our very eyes. The F-35 isn't just a plane, it's a force of nature, a marvel of engineering that pushes the boundaries. But don't just take my word for it. We've got the experts on hand to break down the science behind these mind-bending maneuvers. From vertical takeoffs to hair-raising aerial acrobatics, the F-35 is a masterclass in agility and precision. It's like watching a ballet in the sky, with the pilot as the virtuoso conductor of this symphony of motion. And let's not forget about the sheer power packed into every inch of this beast. With its advanced stealth capabilities and state-of-the-art weaponry, the F-35 is not just a showstopper in the air. It's a formidable force to be reckoned with. It's no wonder this marvel of modern aviation is a game-changer in military operations around the globe. So, whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a technology junkie, or simply someone who loves witnessing the extraordinary, this video is guaranteed to leave you on the edge of your seat, craving more. Join me as we embark on this exhilarating journey through the skies, where the F-35 reigns supreme as the ultimate flying machine. Don't miss out on the chance to witness greatness in action. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's spread the word about the incredible F-35. Until next time, my fellow thrill seekers, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars. Remember, the sky's the limit, unless you're flying an F-35. Cheers to the extraordinary.